Rain cleared up and first cast. I don't know, I kind of think this is like not the one I had on, like, because freaking it felt like a good fish, and this is, you know, average size, freaking 11-inch cutthroat, maybe not even that. Maybe just because I pulled him across the current, you know, he felt good. But then it kind of felt like it was fish off, you know, and I kind of, then I felt, oh no, there's fish on. Yeah, first cast, baby. It was like instant too, as soon as it hit the water out there. Kind of don't think this is the one I originally hooked up on, but sure got him now. Oh man, a little cold, I'm not gonna lie, but rain stopped, sun's out, so vibes. Straight vibes. You need to let go of that for me, sir. Yeah, that's a nice cutty right there. Whoa, freaking so feisty. Oh my god. Insanely feisty. Decent cutty. Oh boy. Boom! Alright. I bet you next cast I ain't getting another fish on. I bet you it's gonna be fish on again. Got some stuffs on here. Ooh. Frickin' balls. Still got some thunder, but I don't see any more crazy rain clouds. Except the ones that were just over me. Oh, and those freaking ones behind me. Frick! Alright, well, we better get a fish on while we can. Cast the same spot, well, sort of the same spot I did before. Let it kind of sink a little bit. Bouncy bounce and a bouncy bounce and a... Where is he? Come on, I know he's down there. Oh, hit right there. You gotta hit it again. You gotta come up close. Oh, yep, there he is. Oh, dang it. He wasn't that big, that was a little guy. That was funny though. I saw one rise over there. Alright, that's more where I wanted to cast, and then I'm gonna bring it in over this way. Oh yeah, they're rising a bunch over here too. This is honestly, this looks like the prime spot, but I'm working my way over there. Hopefully that freaking those dark clouds don't start raining on me beforehand. Some thunders. Where'd he go? Alright, I kind of thought it was going to be more fish on than just one first guy. Oh, there we go, yep. Heard me talking shit. Yeah, that was probably that little guy that followed up a second ago. Same kind of spot. Yeah. This ain't what I'm looking for, but hey, fish is a fish. Man. Come on, drop it. Make it easy. Just drop it. Nah, he ain't gonna. Alright, chill out, chill out. He also ain't gonna do that. Come here, homie. Oh, yikes. There we go. Oh boy. Alright. I'm gonna try casting out over this way now, and I bet you there's gonna be a fish on. Oh, I hope that's not more rain, dude. I don't want more rain right now. that? Oh, little bumpies. Ah, he's messing with me. There he is. Oh, nice one too. Decent. Decent. Yeah, baby. Ooh. Ooh, pretty fish too. That might be a rainbow. Almost looks like one. It's probably just a colored up cutty. Yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Yeah, that's the biggest one of the three so far. Come on, fishy. Go. Coming on. Shoot. I don't know about that stuff over there. I do see a little bit of not freaking dark sky behind it though, so that's good. Maybe. Yeah, nice cutty. Nice cutty. He's still fighting. Yo. So feisty. Come on, let me take the hook off. I'll let you go. I'll let you go if you let me pull that hook out, buddy. Come on. Oh, looks like it's hooked pretty good. Not crazy, but definitely hooked. Definitely ain't coming out on its own, I don't think. Probably ain't gonna wiggle that one out, buddy. Yeah, that's probably a 14er right there. I just heard a fish jump, but I don't know where it was. It could have just been this guy. Okay. Nice, freaking chubby too. Oh man. Look at that guy. Look at that one. Heck yeah. Pretty freaking colors on him. I don't know how well you can see, but belly is all freaking pink and red. Nice. Oh, cool. Oh, bye-bye. So yeah. Alright. I'm gonna turn the GoPro off and try and kind of save some battery. I don't want to blow through it all. I always do that. Figure still the first day of the trip, so if it's like fish on, then we'll turn it on. Or if we get something else interesting happens. But yeah, sick though. I'm gonna keep hitting this spot. Maybe try a different, bigger lure. Look for a bully.